Ready? Go ahead, introduce it.
Hi, my name is Reece.
I'm Larry.
And there is Miss Maid over there.
All right, anyway, listen. What are we doing today?
We're doing this science experiment, the tornado thing. We started on YouTube before, and it's pretty cool. My dad tried it once when he was a kid.
Yeah.
And describe to our channel.
So, what you need for this experiment, you need two 2-liter bottles.
And this
All right.
thing.
You also need this really cool double-sided cap thing. I got it from Amazon. It came with 2. All right. We have water. We didn't fill it all the way up.
That we didn't want to waste it. And where's the other food color?
All right. So look, we got a little bit of yellow. You want to try that, or you want to just do the green?
I want to do it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Reece said we're gonna add some yellow food coloring to it. All right, just to make it look cool.
A little bit, Dad. Okay, I'm starting first.
All right, just a couple of drops, maybe like 3 or 4. Gonna shake it up a little bit.
Now it sparkles.
Oh yeah. We'll shake it up a little bit. Want to add a little bit of green? See what it look like? Reece is gonna add this. Reece is adding.
Whoa! Look at this. That's pretty cool.
Reece is adding glitter to make it, just add a little effect to it. I'm gonna do 1 drop of green just to see how it look.
Cool. Dad, that looks like blue to me.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully that wasn't too.
Much?
Didn't make it too dark.
Too dark? No, we don't need.
All right, now we're just gonna put this top.
Oh my God! Dad, don't.
Some glitter at the top. Looks like.
Guys, you're gonna get that glitter out.
I should have poured the glitter. All right, we're just gonna turn this on like this.
And Dad is gonna swirl it around.
All right.
Basically, what we're gonna do is gonna turn it around.
Now we're just mixing up the glitter.
Yep, we are.
The yellow and the green full coloring. And we're about to have
a tornado.
a tornado.
What coloring?
In 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Turn it around. Spin it, spin it. Spin it.
And here we go.
Whoa! Look at that! Look at that, guys. Is that pretty cool? I know, right?
A little simple.
It's gorgeous. Oh, Dad, I can see a hole in the top. Cute. So cool.
All right, there, guys, and there you have a tornado. All right.
A tornado? Try this with the parent. Without. Nope. Don't try this at home. Only with the parent.
All right, we're out.